guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jasmine here. Today's video is going to be a little Christmas holiday video. As you can tell, I'm in my Christmas PJs because I am running off to Emilia's place this evening for a little Christmas get-together. 3 people, super small, me, Emilia, and Alec. We are going to be having a little PJ party, eating Pillsbury cookies, watching Christmas movies, and probably drinking mulled wine. But I wanted to pop in really quickly. I'm literally sitting on the floor in the middle of getting ready, but I wanted to say hello before I have to call an Uber and run off and I'm not able to make an intro. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, our little Christmas PJ party. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys once I get to Emilia's place. Let's go. I'm here now at Emilia's in our PJs. Our Christmas PJ party.
I'm wearing plaid, so here we are.
This is my PJ set, you guys. I don't know if my vlog has met Alec.
Yes. Maybe not. I know my vlog has.
This is Alec, you guys. You guys haven't met me yet.
The wine lover is what I call myself. Okay, this is not wine, but after this, red wine.
Oh, Emilia already took her first bite.
Okay, so who's doing what first?
Okay, well, I'll give you guys your gifts.
Okay,
No,
fine.
I want to do. Okay.
I either want to do this first or last.
I mean, mine is like pretty obvious, but.
So is mine. Okay.
Okay, so let's do. Here you go, Jasmine.
We're just giving each other the same thing. I didn't give you. I'm bad at cards. Like I didn't give you cards.
I'm gonna be surprised about
Alec is
that.
such a card person.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm like so bad with my words. I'm like.
I get teary when I write my. I know.
I sent this in.
I was like, what's Jasmine's favorite wine? And she sent me a picture.
Yeah.
You have one right there, and I was
Tell
like,
me you found it.
This is literally my
For
favorite wine.
Alex and Jess.
Well, I was gonna call you when I was LCB and I like walked around.
oh
and I was
my
like,
God, what the hell?
And I was like, I don't know. I even asked her. I just like walked around and I was like, well, I just know he likes red and it looks fancy.
It looks so fancy.
What the hell? In a box.
You saw that Alec got me.
Oh my God, Jasmine. This
Oh my
is
God, he said take a
stunning.
sip of your wine before opening this letter. That's what it says. I'll do that. My Prosecco.
Look at this. Thank
Wow,
you,
that's
Jasmine.
so
That's so
fancy.
nice.
I hope it tastes good. I have no
Oh, I'm
idea.
sure it will. Oh my God, I love it.
Okay, now I'm gonna give Mills your gift.
Excited. Woo! What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! What's this? Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I'm like, I don't know if you should be that excited. I'm like, I don't want you to be like let down.
Oh my God!
Whoa, those are so
You like them? Did you know I wanted?
No, I had
Those like this?
No, I had no idea.
They're on my list.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Oh my God! I'm actually, like, I can't believe I didn't tell you I wanted this.
No, you didn't.
It's literally on my list of things I wanted.
Amazing.
cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, is it what bag it's from? Or no?
Yeah.
Oh,
Part of
I
it.
feel like I know what it is.
Okay, but that's not all of it.
Because we've discussed that before.
Yeah, so, and after this, it's a try on.
Bye! You got me some roots. I've been to roots in forever. Oh, yay! I got fingerless gloves. Oh, I've been needing fingerless gloves. Thank you.
But it-
It's on your list.
You know the funny thing is today too, I was telling Dan, I was like, I don't think Mills gets me fingerless gloves. I told her I wanted them.
Oh my God, I'm so glad because I was really undecided between that or the white turtleneck.
Oh, okay.
Cute.
Hey, wait, I've got something.
Fun.
What do you have?
We're
Oh!
I put up champagne.
Are we gonna pop that? I will
Yes.
pop these too. These are gorgeous.
Let's pop that.
Cheers!
Woo woo!
Bravo, bravo, bravo!
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Bravo, bravo, bravo!
Yes.
Sorry.
And they're filming the real.
I'm gonna go. So she'll be like, bravo, bravo, bravo.
Yeah, she's like, no, I don't like
Bravo,
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 bravo, bravo, bravo.
And then they film the producer and they're like,
Safe
Denise,
word.
No,
Denise,
it's her safe
you
word.
can't, Denise, you can't say that again. You've said it too many times, Denise. Shut up.
Like they would literally have to cut her out of the entire season. This is a gift I got Mills. Cute little fuzzy slippers. And then I got Alec a nice bottle of wine.
Oh, I didn't even know you were filming. Oh my god.
I I'm done.
So, I'm gonna make something out of this to make a drinking game for our movie night.
Because we wanted to have a hat like on the corner, like a little Christmas hat there, but I forgot it. So Alec is trying to do art attack.
Is this Scotch tape and scissors?
I'm gonna make cookies while he does that, okay, you guys? And then I don't feel so
Jasmine!
Oh my gosh, show my vlog! So cute!
Just like that.
You guys, if you didn't know, Alec is an artist, so that was perfect!
Wait, what did I look?
Aww! So cute!
So cute, right?
Oh, look how pretty they look. Alex and his Vlogmas
Vlogging
camera.
too. You have to do Vlogmas next year.
No, that's just too much work.
You have to.
Not 25 days of videos. There's days that I literally just lay in my bed and do nothing.
But yeah, that's just because of COVID. Next year, it's gonna be like live it up every day.
We can hope so.
You have to do it.
We can hope so.
I think everyone in the comments, write down if you want to see Jasmine doing Vlogmas next year. 2021. I think yes.
I'm good.
Okay, the cookies are ready. I've never vlogged before. These are the cookies. I don't know if I should look here or here. Okay, I've been told to look in the lens, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to now transfer these yummy cookies onto the plate. And that's about it. I have been told I need to take a video of me walking.
No! Emilia!
You forced my hand
Okay,
up.
so 4 cookies are forfeited.
Yes. Natural vlogger.
Yeah!
Amazing.
This is the Home Alone drinking game we are gonna play tonight. And then we're also gonna do the little Christmas hat situation.
So excited. Cheers. Mwah.
He's wearing the Christmas hat.
Hey.
This little old man. Oh,
So cute.
look, it's perfect. We're on Home Alone 2, you guys.
Aww. So hungry.
I'm so hungry.
So hungry. but also a beautiful night ahead.
I'm going to
so
bed. What do you mean a night ahead?
What? No. No. We're gonna, Jasmine is staying up. We're gonna party.
You guys, I'm old. It's past my bedtime.
Oh no.
Like, I don't know what he's talking about.
Millie, we're keeping Jasmine here until at least midnight.
You're sleeping over.
I agree.
Sleepover!
We'll see. Once I get the pizza, I'll think about it. Just feed me and then I'll think about it.
We'll keep you posted.